In this video, we will show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from PC. First, we need to create YouTube short video, and we will using Wondershare Filmora video editor in here. I prepare a second or two image. In here, I have two images, and all of this image is in landscape. So, it's not suitable actually to create YouTube short video using this image, but it still can be YouTube shorts video. And second, we need to open video editor. In here, I'm using a Wondershare Filmora video editor. And to create YouTube shorts video, the most important thing is aspect ratio of your video. In here, if usually using widescreen aspect ratio, in here we need to using portrait ratio and click OK. Using Wondershare Filmora editor, you can just easily change these aspect ratio settings. And I will put my two images. They're actually in the widescreen ratio in here, but it's still okay using Wondershare Filmora video editor. You can see my YouTube short video will look like this, and actually this black frame is on screen of the smartphone. So if you try to scale, all view is look like this. Okay, then we need to export this video. I will export this, and I click export my video shorts, for example, and click export. I click open folder, and this is my video shorts. From PC it look like this, but when you upload on YouTube, it will become YouTube shorts video. Let's see. I'm logging into my dashboard account, and okay, I upload this video and it will become a shorts video. For the evidence, I will open this video from smartphone, so you can see later this video as a short video, not as a widescreen video. I just click next. No. Okay, still processing. Okay, we can just click publish in here. Not different with a common video on YouTube, but as you can see, we will see this video from my smartphone. Okay, I will pause this. I will connect my smartphone into a PC monitor. Now you can see here on my smartphone, our video become a YouTube shorts video. So it's very easy to create YouTube short video using Wondershare Filmora video editor. You can see here, this is YouTube shorts view video, and our video successfully save or upload as YouTube shorts. That's tutorial how to upload YouTube shorts video from PC. Hope this video helpful for you.